Welcome back, guys. CryptoFolite channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Moonriver and the Glimmer, two tokens from the Polkadot ecosystem. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, maybe you skipped the post I mentioned in Telegram channel. The OKX will delist both of these tokens. Yes, guys, of course, the OKX is not a main exchange for this two Polkadot ecosystem tokens because of their volume. For example, for the Moonbeam on OKX is only 136K. The main one are still on HTX and a Binance. Yes, this token still exists on a Binance, and it's not unnecessary. So the Binance will delist after OKX these tokens. But any delisting from exchanges, it's not a great signal for the token in general. So it's some bad signal for investors to think about it, something wrong with that one. And yes, let's be real, guys. Take a look at the charts. How would it even possible? So the so promising, fancy Polkadot ecosystem dump it like this one. Polkadot not deliver something good onto this market in the last 3 years. The same story for all of these parachains. This can't be the good token or the good startup or the good technology or the solution for something if the chart looks like this one. So nobody care about this one. The good moment, guys, like speculation, just like simple speculation. Of course, if we will see the BTC dominance on the 50% or on the at least 55%, of course, these tokens by seasonality can bounce and will bounce for sure. I'm more than sure they will bounce. But it's kind of weird when you post the news about the delisting and some fans, the Glimmer and the Moonriver army start talking about, no, it's a thought. It's just a thought. It's not a thought, it's a fact. So the OKX release the date when exactly they will remove and delete all these two assets from own exchange. How it can be the thought? It's a fact. Thought, it's some rumors, some unconfirmed news to bring the fear. But this is a fact. And after that, we can't know. Maybe the Binance will delist. Maybe the other exchanges also will delist. We can't know. That's why, guys, never say never and never fall in love in some of these stupid tokens, which promise you a lot of things here with the Polkadot parachains, but after that, the price of their startup crash it down. So what's the point of that attach? All right, let's not count this crazy week because anyway, it's not countable. So here, $6.71 to 6 cents, and the announcement about the listing from there. I have no idea, guys. Like speculation, yes, I believe this token will recover a little bit higher, so the targets absolutely still the same for this token. If, guys, the main condition for this cycle, if these tokens will be still exist on centralized exchanges with the volume, even if only the one Binance exchange will still keep it two tokens on exchange, and if we will see the volume like 1 million in 24 hours, of course, guys, this token will perform. Just like speculation, but it has nothing to do with the fundamental of that tokens. Fundamental is just a fairy tales for the noobs. The most positive case, it's just a crazy positive case. It's 115 and 173 for Moonriver this cycle. Yes, I totally understand the people waiting there. 200, the new all-time high, like usual, guys. I don't think so. This delisting is something good. The most positive case, if some miracle will happen with the Moonriver and the Polkadot will start performing, all ecosystem perform 2,600% and maybe 3,900. Possible, like speculation, just because of seasonality and the like speculation, nothing more. So this is it, guys. Local one, of course, I believe we can see if this token will still exist on the Binance, we can see the higher than December 2023 target. So it's around like $50 will be like a magnet for this one. So 10x possible. But for me, it's kind of weird, how these tokens work hard on something and perform like this one on the chart. So the worst case scenario, guys, if we'll drop and sweep the low under $3. Weekly time frame, we try hold the line at the fundamental value. Next step is for Moonriver, it's 1570. So the most positive case, if we just consolidate, you know, full September here, and after that start break the structure and go to this high. Maybe this is going to be the end of cycle for this token. We can't know. We can't know, guys. So never say never. Also, the good example for this tokens, guys, never use and don't believe in all of that stupid influencer who shill you buy the dip all the time and use DCA. You need to start use DCA only in zone of interest. Imagine how many people wasted the stable coins because they buy here, the DCA. DCA is the solution. It's not a solution. You just waste your money and stuck in average price like 180, for example. Now, it's more than okay to start using because we are not so far from historical all-time low again. And now, of course, it's logical to start use DCA. Buy line now for MOVR, it's $4.11. I would like to see this drop. Maybe we're going to sweep even the low of that one. We'll leave the low of October 23. Sweep and go higher. 12-hour time frame. Buy line is 429. 429, 432. Most likely we will see this one. Levels. And no money inflow yet. No signal to buy yet on 12-hour time frame. Daily time frame especially. The last signal to buy was in April. The price was around $4.29. 857. 100% profit. Usually the market makers dump the price, withdraw initial deposit, and write down. Sell. So wait, test of the buy line. You can add alert, you know, and just track it. No money inflow. A lot of tokens, guys, well traded at the bottom. We saw a lot of money inflow. Here is just money in, money out, money in, money out. So the market makers just speculate the socket and out. So nobody want to invest in it now, you know, like in some fundamental project. No, I repeat again, guys, like speculation. This is a Moonbeam here. The like speculation, guys, this token will pump on OKX here, 64K. It's like a, I don't know, it's worse than any meme coin. 64K trading volume in 24 hours. Imagine, nobody care about this one. Everybody will care about all these tokens just when the Polkadot start perform, just because of seasonality. And of course, the paid influencer will shill you the information like, oh, Polkadot is a jam. It's a new top gainer of this cycle. No, it's not. No, it's not, guys. I don't want to blame the Polkadot, you know, I don't want to blame these tokens, but just stop, treat the people with some solutions, what these tokens bring to the market. There is no solution, or some solution, but nobody use it. We don't need it. That's why let's just trade these tokens. And yes, like speculation, I will be ready even by the Glimmer, because for Glimmer, I add my alerts and I will show you what alerts I will add it. So locally and globally, guys, I showed you the targets. With delisting from OKX or not, it doesn't matter. So until this token with the great volumes on SGX and the Binance over than 1 million in 24 hours, guys, most likely we will reach 15.64 and $44. After that, of course, we need to see the macro in the world, the BTC dominance, the Ethereum BTC trading pair, you know, how and if the Polkadot performs, you know. So that's the point. Now, the local targets I showed you. If we check the market mood ADZ direction indicators, guys. So here, market mood, this is capitulation, this belief. ADZ, there is no data now. So here, this is capitulation, this belief, this capitulation, this belief. So now it's a great time, based on risk ratio, now it's a great time for accumulation. The whales accumulate, some whales, but we can't know the size of that accumulation. Monthly time frame, finally, imagine, finally, this is why I'm recommended to use this set, because take a look, all this period, even we traded at a historical all-time low, it was not a capitulation, it was still a FRIA. And only now, at the beginning of August, we see the capitulation zone. Imagine, 3 years just distribution. Some whales distribute their bags, right? And only now they drop it to the capitulation zone. Now retail's in fear. Direction, we at the bottom. Daily time frame, local one. This is optimism. But I think we will drop to 4.9, maybe a little bit higher, 4.20. No accumulation based on direction indicator yet. So the last one was here in June, unfortunately, guys. So targets, global one, I showed you. Local one also, I showed you the potential drop. Let's check the Glimmer. Glimmer can be more promising. Glimmer. This one, I can't say it's better than Moonriver, but no. Just like, the zones for entry. You remember I marked the FIB, and we tracked that FIB, I guess, since 2023. And this FIB still relevant. So the capitulation for the Glimmer can be the test of 27 levels, 3 cents 56. It's hard to imagine, so we're gonna drop that low, but I added alert here, 634. I'm gonna delete this one because most likely we're gonna drop lower to 5 and a little bit under. Here, the Moonriver around fundamental value on the weekly time frame, the Glimmer under this one. So the best case, personally for me, of course, it's this move, but we can see the consolidation go straight forward to test fundamental value, buy line, take profit. So Glimmer more underwater than Moonriver if we compare two of them. Sell, buy back, no main signal to buy. Nothing. We at the bottom with announcement about the delisting and a little bit under a middle line on the money power without any money inflow. Last money inflow been here at 12 cent 30. So I wish to see the drop and continuation higher. And I hope, of course, that delisting of Moonbeam will not affect like the reason for the Binance to delist it also. Fundraising rounds, guys, was here 1 cent. So that's a problem. 1 cent, 5 cents, 25. So of course we're already over than ICO round, but 5 cents is like a magnet for strategic rounds. So they still in profit 37%. They can dump it, even pressed by market, sell now and will be in profit 37%. And even that venture funds, the priority rounds, they in profit still at this almost all-time low price, 586%. It's weird, guys. It's absolutely weird, but this is how all these cartels works. Like speculation, guys, the positive case, I mark it here. It's 13. Let's add it a little bit higher, like 15. Also, it's a monthly gap. So with the drop or without the drop, I think we will bounce to 15 cents later if this stock will still exist on centralized exchanges. The most crazy scenario for this one is around $1.05. $1.05 and 223. I don't think so. We're gonna hit that 223. The chart looks absolutely horrible, guys. This token can perform only if some miracle will happen with the Polkadot. So this is the case. Now on the weekly time frame, no money inflow, nothing, just nothing, guys. Take a look on the daily here. The buy line on the daily now it's 4 cents 82. So yes, I hope my alert will be triggered. We at the bottom, but without any money inflow. So money inflow probably will be here, and maybe I will buy in like speculation at 4 cents 8. 12 time frame it's 4 cents 98. Fundamental value it's 3 cents 68. Only now we see some tiny money inflows on the 12 time frame. So drop in August to hold a drop. All right. So guys, just be careful with these two tokens. Bullish targets I showed you. If you believe in this one, but without that, like a cult, don't join that cult. Because the people, all the time stuck in tokens just because they like hostage of community, while the venture funds distribute the bags on you and use that community like exit liquidity. So just speculate without, don't be the fanatic, right? So this is a zone where more than okay, I guess, accumulate the Glimmer. Maybe I will try speculate with the futures. Direction, no signal for accumulation. So we need to see some accumulation. Like here, this is the day. June 20 till June 7. So around like 17 days accumulation. I think same accumulation we will see around 4 cents and around 5 maybe. So now nothing. Yes, on the daily it's capitulation. Weekly time frame, yes, it's a disbelief in capitulation again. Why I explained to you, it looks better than Moonriver. But here, the Moonriver already in capitulation, Glimmer still not yet. That's why I think with the drop, we will see the capitulation on a monthly. That's why, guys, not that much bullish reasons now for the tokens, even if we trade now around all-time lows. Global targets I bullish. I showed you because people always love to see only up targets. Nobody want to look at the sell. Not a sell to sell now. No, nobody want to see the lowest targets. And it's not a negative, guys. It's just a fact. Just the facts. So I hope you like this video. Wrap us in a comment what you think about to this Polkadot ecosystem tokens. If you like to trade with my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.